skin itchiness, or pruritus, can be an uncomfortable and frustrating experience. It can arise from various causes, including allergies, dryness, insect bites, or underlying medical conditions. Fortunately, there are several simple remedies recommended by experts to alleviate this condition and restore comfort to your skin. 1. Moisturize regularly. Keeping your skin hydrated is one of the most effective ways to combat itchiness, especially if it is caused by dryness. Here are some tips. Choose a thick moisturizer. Look for creams or ointments that contain ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, or hyaluronic acid. These ingredients help lock in moisture and restore the skin barrier. Apply after bathing, for maximum benefit. Apply moisturizer immediately after bathing while your skin is still damp. This helps seal in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. 2. Take cool baths. Cool baths can provide immediate relief from itching by soothing inflamed skin. Here's how to incorporate this remedy. Add oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal can be beneficial in calming itching. Simply add it to your bathwater and soak for 15-20 minutes. Oatmeal contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. Limit bath time. Keep baths short. And use lukewarm water, as hot water can further dry out your skin and exacerbate itchiness. 3. Use anti-itch creams. Over-the-counter anti-itch creams can be effective in managing itchiness. Here are some options. Hydrocortisone cream. This mild corticosteroid cream can help reduce inflammation and itching, especially for conditions like eczema or dermatitis. Apply it sparingly to the affected area. Calamine lotion, known for its soothing properties. Calamine lotion can provide relief from insect bites, poison ivy, and other irritations. 4. Wear appropriate clothing. What you wear can significantly impact skin itchiness. Choose breathable fabrics. Opt for loose-fitting clothing made from natural fibers like cotton. This allows your skin to breathe and reduces irritation. Avoid irritating fabrics. Stay away from wool or synthetic materials that can cause friction and exacerbate itching. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining skin health. Dehydration can lead to dry skin, which often results in itchiness. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And consider increasing your intake if you are active or live in a dry climate. 6. Identify and avoid triggers. Understanding the cause of your itchiness is crucial for effective management. Keep a diary. Track your symptoms, noting when they occur and any potential triggers, such as certain foods, soaps, or environments. This can help you identify patterns and avoid specific irritants. Allergy testing. If you suspect that allergies are contributing to your itchiness, consider consulting an allergist for testing. Identifying specific allergens can help you minimize exposure and manage symptoms more effectively. 7. Consult a healthcare professional if your itchiness persists despite trying these remedies. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Persistent itchiness may indicate an underlying condition, such as eczema, psoriasis, or liver disease, that requires medical attention. Conclusion. Skin itchiness can be bothersome, but several simple remedies can help alleviate the discomfort. By moisturizing regularly, taking cool baths, using anti-itch creams, and wearing appropriate clothing, you can effectively manage symptoms. Additionally, staying hydrated and identifying potential triggers can further enhance your skin health. If symptoms persist, seeking professional advice is crucial to ensure proper diagnosis and treatment. Your skin deserves the best care, so prioritize your comfort and well-being.